Deputy Commissioner West Jaintia Hills B.S. Solia inaugurated the halfway home for rehabilitation of people living with mental illness on Wednesday at Sabah Musiang in West Jaintia Hills district. This project was funded by the Directorate of Social Welfare, Government of Meghalaya, and implemented by the Society for Urban and Rural Empowerment, SURE. The event was graced by the presence of esteemed guests, including Srimati C.D. Lingwa, the Director of Social Welfare, J. Sinha, the DSWO, and other dignitaries. In his address, Solia expressed his belief that this centre would serve as a shining example for other villages and the entire state. He emphasized the importance of providing exceptional service and urged the employees to exercise patience when dealing with individuals facing mental health challenges.
Kita ki patience kita don ki jimpang kita ki berjumpa ki kaplan jumki. I wish the Southway home all success from the days and years and weeks to come. It will not falter, and if there should be any signs of faltering or anything, come and consult with me. I'll be most happy and glad to be.
In order to promote tourism in Meghalaya, the